In this video, I'm going to show you how to create human-like AI agents. These chatbots, you're going to use them within your website, WhatsApp, and other social media accounts. They will help you in generating leads, improving customer service, having people book appointments. You're going to do all this without any coding knowledge. To get started, go to the description and sign up using that link, and then follow me to create your first chatbot at no cost. Let's get started. Before you get started into building and having your chatbots active, you need to go to platform.openai.com. This is where you'll be able to create a secret key that you're going to copy and paste it within the AI site that we'll be building the chatbot. So it's safe. This is safe for you to sign up. Just sign up maybe using your Gmail account or whatever account you have, and then go to API keys and then click on create a new secret key. So you can name it and then create a secret key. You're going to copy it and go back to this site. You're going to go back to our site. And then you're going to go to settings. Under team management, you're going to add workspace. And this is where you're going to paste. You're going to name the workspace and you're going to you're going to paste the OpenAI key here and then save. So the first thing you're going to do is come to new chatbot. You're going to add to upload a file. This is data source, and data source is basically the knowledge source. You're going to feed the AI tool with data source or knowledge in regards to your business. You can create a PDF or a document or even text, or a Word document, and upload it here. This could be anything to do with frequently asked questions. It can be history about your company. It can be what your company does, your services and the products that you sell. Anything that you think that people will ask and need to find out more about your business. So you can load it up there. Then under text, you can just copy and paste or type in here the information that you want the AI tool to learn about your business. Then we have the website. You can put in your website there and then click on fetch links. And then you can also input questions and answers, the frequently asked questions. You can also drop a Google Sheet there. That's an example of a website. I'm going to put in this website and have it fetch the links. Found 84 links for you. Duplication has automatically been removed for you. Okay, so we've already fed all these. I can go ahead and remove some of them that I think are not important, like this one. Once you're done, click on create chatbot. Let's go ahead and test our chatbot. Okay, let's see what it tells us. So you can see it's already chatting with our lead, telling them the price and the suitability for a particular tree, and then goes ahead and asks if you'd like to proceed and order this, or you'd like it delivered. Okay. Let's see if it has the contacts. Yeah, you can see it's already giving out our contact, so this person can directly get in touch with us. Okay, so this is a human-like chatbot that is talking to our client. And then I'm also going to show you how you can have this kind of chat integrated with your WhatsApp so that you can easily be able to interact with your customers even when you're away. So we've done the option of our website. Let's look at the next one. You can also input keywords within the knowledge base of your tool. So you can, for example, I would use a keyword like what I think my clients would be asking for, like portable toilet seat. Someone may just type that, and then the answer they're going to get is and then you can add as many as you want. You can also input company info, company name, email, number, so that it's easy for when anyone asks for your company information, they are able to get that information immediately. So make sure every time you input files, text, website, any of these, you click create chatbot at the bottom so that you're able to train the chatbot. So let us look at the settings. Let's go to settings. You can rename your chatbot. You can give it a different name so that you're able to differentiate the chatbot for a specific role or for a specific website. So the prompt here is set as a sales service. You can change it to whatever role that you want it to act. Why I love the newsorg.ai is that it has done for you prompts that is really, really good. So you can see for conversational lead it has specific instructions on what it's expected to do. It's already done for you. So you choose the prompt that you want to go for, and then click OK. You can change the model. From mine is set to this. You can also change to this time zone. You can change the temperature. The higher you take it, the more it becomes creative, but at 0 is good enough. For this kind of chat bots that you're creating, this is good enough. Just leave it at 0. Don't forget to click on save. Next, let's look at the chat interface. This is where you can make a few changes on how you want the chatbot to appear and the color. So you can amend. If you don't like the initial message, you can change it. Suggested messages, you can suggest messages where people can just click and a message populates for them. This could be in regards to frequently asked questions. For example, when someone clicks on this, they'll get a message immediately. You can add as many as you want. Your location. Okay, so when someone clicks on this, they can be able to get an answer immediately. You can change the theme to dark, but then you must be careful of the color of the message here. So you can choose it to be that way. So make sure it's visible. For now, I'm going to leave it as light. You can change the width and the height of the chatbot. I think it's okay as it is, the default. You can change the font there. You can upload a profile photo. You can upload a profile photo that comes here, maybe your business logo, and then display name. Yeah, like that. You can change the color, maybe to the theme of your brand. And then the chat icon down here can be changed to whichever color that you want. You can change the bubble button from this side to this side. Most of these things are just you just need to play around and see how it looks. So we have the custom human takeover reply. There's a human takeover. This is when the chatbot does not know the answer, and then so you need to put in a message. To put in your email address there so that you get to be able to take over and respond to the client. This is the source where the chatbot is referencing whatever message they're sending out to anyone who comes across your chatbot. And I don't want this to be displayed. You can just come here and put it off. At the moment it's on, you can just put it off like that. Make sure it's off. Yeah. What else? Security. You can you can change this number. If someone sends a message so many times, you can limit them and give them this message, too many messages in a row, or whatever message that you want them to see. Okay. Now, if you ever want to add data source or knowledge or more content within your AI account, you need to go back to your chatbot, open your chatbot, and then go to sources. You can add anything. You can add anything that you want to add related to all this, and then make sure that you click on retrain chatbot so that it absorbs that information that you fed it with. For example, we can add here and then retrain the chatbots. So let's see. It's still typing. Okay, so you see that is updated. Now you can collect leads through the chatbot, and this will be you can collect leads through, maybe you can give it a name. So you can have this is already done for you, where someone once they come in contact with your chatbot, they enter their name, last name, email, phone number. So you can put whatever you don't want to be displayed, you can put it off. If you feel like the last name is not necessary, you can put it off or put it on. Most people are hesitant to give their phone number, so I would put it off for now. Then you can ask it to be displayed for every question. Display for human takeover only at the point of where maybe the chatbot does not have any other does not have an answer, and so they can fill in this form, and then you take over as a human. Now, for now, I'd leave it a display for every question, and then save. It's good to always indicate your privacy policy here so that people can know that your data is protected. Guys, whatever I'm showing you, it's something that you can do for your business or even help other business owners who have websites or they want to have people chat with their social media accounts like Instagram and WhatsApp at any time. So that means you'll be saving a lot of time and increasing sales. You can also be able to create appointments, have people set appointments to meet up with you. So let's enable appointments. So just go to appointments and then you're able to log in, to authorize Calendly or Google Calendar or Microsoft to be able for people to set up a 30 minutes or a 1 hour meeting with you. So you just need to sign up for Calendly and then you integrate it. Very simple. It's very simple to do. If you prefer to use Google Calendar, well and good. So this is a message, suggest message for appointment. So here you can custom a message like, I would like to have a 30 minutes with you to learn more about your services. And then now you'll have this a button for someone to be able to set up a meeting. Now let's test the chatbot. Remember we worked on the lead form. If you prefer to have people leave their name and their email address or even their phone number before they start doing a conversation with your chatbot, then you can have it mandatory that they do leave these details before they start the chat. And here it is. So when someone clicks on the chatbot icon, welcome to Jaliwa Shop, how can I assist you today? Then please let us know how to contact you. You can change this to whatever that you want to change under the lead part. So ask them for their name, first name, last name, and the email address, and then submit. So let's try that. And you note that it will ask you to enter correct email address so that you don't have spam emails. Okay, so the lead is already submitted. and then I can just come and click on wheelchairs. So it's trying to pull information from my website. So definitely I need to give it more knowledge base. I need to upload a lot of info for it. So make sure that you give the AI a lot of information about your business, about your e-commerce store. You can actually even upload an Excel sheet with all the products that you sell that are already in your e-commerce store. So when someone is asking for a product, then it's able to pull and give them the right information. So the output of this chatbot is what you feed it. So make sure that you feed it with enough knowledge. Now to check on the leads that have been collected from your website, just go to lead form, just go to leads, and then you'll be able to see leads from here. You see already, I already got one lead. This is the one that we did, and you can be able to export your leads. Now, to integrate your chatbot, you need to go to integrations. Then you can integrate it to Google Voice. So you just need Gmail authorization. You can check out YouTube or even Google how to do this. You can also automate SMS chatbot using Twilio. You can also automate chatbot conversation using Facebook. So, and that would be through Messenger. And also you can do WhatsApp. You can do WhatsApp chatbot and Instagram. It's simple to do these integrations. You just need to, like for example, WhatsApp authorization, you need to have a WhatsApp business, which should be connected to your page. So you need to have a page that has your WhatsApp business connected into. Of course, that's your business page relating to your business that you're setting the chatbot for, or your customers. So you just need to log in using your Facebook and then integrate it using your Facebook page. There are quite a number of videos in YouTube that can help you with this integrations, but I'm also going to do a tutorial in regards to this on a later date. Now let's see how to embed our chatbot into the website. So there's the copy frame option. There's also the copy script, which we are going to use. You can also share this, copy this link and share it with your friends or family or even your customer, just to see how the chatbot looks like before you place them inside their website. So let's copy that and then go to the website, a WordPress website. So if you're not using WordPress website, then you can be able just to go into YouTube and find out how to integrate this inside your website, maybe like Shopify, for example, or any other kind of website that you have. So copy script and then head to WordPress dashboard. You want to go to plugins, search for WP code and then activate it. For me, I already have it. So go to code snippets and then header and footer. Then let's go to footer and then paste. Okay. Let's save changes and see what happens. Okay. So let's go to my website and refresh. And here it is. Welcome to Jalua Shop. How can I assist you today? Okay. And that's how you do it. So this is how you can integrate it to your website or even your customer's website. Very easy. As I told you when we started, you don't need to know any coding. You just need to follow the simple steps that I've shown you to get here. And that's it, guys. Congratulations if you have been able to follow these simple steps and set up your first chatbot. That is just the beginning. You can do this for your business or even to other people as a freelancer. Remember to use that link at the description. I'm an affiliate and I'll appreciate if you use that link. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of AI automation videos that are upcoming. Thank you.